Friends, have you ever been in this situation? Someone speaks English too fast, and you're just like smile and nod, pretending you understand. Well, guess what? Today I've got your back. I'm going to share with you super useful English phrases that you can use in real life every single day. These phrases will save you in shops, at school, at work, or even when you meet someone new. And here's the fun part. We're not just learning boring textbook stuff. Nope. We're going to use real conversations, funny examples, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to sound more polite, confident, and natural in English. Oh, and stay until the end, because I'll show you one secret phrase that almost every learner forgets. But it will make people think, wow, your English is so good. Ready? Let's jump in.
Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you too.
Here, I brought you a coffee. Thought you might need it.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. So, ready for your first day?
I think so. But honestly, I have no idea what's going on in this document. Could you please repeat what the manager said earlier?
Sure, he said we need to prepare the Q3 report by Friday.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. What's Q3?
Quarter 3, July to September. Don't worry, you'll get used to it.
Oops, can you help me, please?
Of course.
Let's pause right there. That was a real-life, totally normal conversation. But did you catch all the useful phrases? Let me break them down. Nice to meet you. When meeting someone new. Thank you and you're welcome. Basic politeness. Could you please repeat that? When you didn't catch something. I'm sorry, I don't understand. When something's unclear. Can you help me, please? When you need assistance. All of these are simple, polite, and natural. And best of all, you can use them in any daily situation, not just at work. Now say them with me. Pick one and try using it today. Ready for more? Let's follow John and Anna through the rest of the day. You'll learn how to interrupt politely, ask someone to slow down, and more. Stay with me.
Okay, let's start. So, we will look at the numbers for July, August, and September. We want to help more customers stay with us, so we're changing how we welcome them.
Sorry, could you please speak more slowly? I didn't catch all of that.
Oh, sure, no problem. Let me say it again. We want to help more customers stay with us, so we are changing how we welcome them.
Thanks. Could you explain that in more detail?
Of course. When a new customer joins, we will give them a better welcome. We will send emails, show them how to use our service, and call to say hello. That makes people happy, and they stay longer.
Got it. That makes sense now. May I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, go ahead.
I think I will need your help with my slides later. I'm not very good with PowerPoint. I need your assistance to fix the layout.
No problem at all. I'll help you after lunch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, the screen just went black.
Oh no! I think I pressed the wrong button. I apologize for the inconvenience, everyone. Just a moment, I'll fix it.
Wow, so many great phrases in just one meeting. Let's check them out. Could you please speak more slowly? When someone talks too fast, could you explain that in more detail? When you don't fully understand something, may I interrupt you for a moment? Polite way to speak during someone's talk. I need your assistance. A formal way to ask for help. I apologize for the inconvenience. A very polite way to say sorry. Simple, polite, professional. And yes, you can use these even if it's your first day like John. Now, in the next part, something goes wrong with the calendar. Let's see how to change plans and still sound like a pro. See you there.
Hey, Anna, do we have that client meeting at 3 o'clock?
Actually, it just got moved. The client can't join today.
Oh, really? Could we reschedule our appointment for tomorrow?
Yes, that's what I was going to say. We'll meet them at 10 a.m. instead.
Great. I'd prefer to meet in the morning anyway. I feel more focused before lunch.
Same here. I always get sleepy in the afternoon.
By the way, I'm sorry for the mistake I made earlier in the presentation. I wrote the wrong number on slide 3.
No worries. It happens. But if you want to say it in a formal way, you can say, I apologize for the mistake.
Right. Okay, let me try. I apologize for the mistake on slide 3.
Perfect.
Look at them go. Let's break down the great phrases they used this time. Could we reschedule our appointment? Very polite when plans change. I'd prefer to shows your choice or favorite option. I'm sorry for the mistake. Casual apology. I apologize for the mistake. More formal, great for work or emails. These are super helpful when life doesn't go as planned. Which is, let's be honest, all the time. Next up, we'll finish the day with something positive. Compliments and teamwork. Let's go make someone's day better with kind words.
Hey, John, I saw your updated slides. They looked really good.
Thanks. I tried to fix everything after our meeting.
Well, you did a fantastic job. The design looks clean and simple. I think the client will like it.
Wow, thanks. That means a lot. And honestly, I admire your creativity. The way you explain things is super clear.
Thank you. I love making things easy to understand.
By the way, do you need any help with the email follow-up? I'm free now.
Actually, yes. Can you write the draft? I'll check it after.
Sure. Let me know if you need any help with anything else, too.
Thanks, John. You're a great teammate already.
Or, what a great way to end the day. Let's go over the powerful phrases they use to build teamwork and give positive energy. You did a fantastic job. A strong compliment for someone's work. I admire your creativity. Shows respect and appreciation. Do you need any help? Can I help you with anything? Offering support. Let me know if you need any help. Open and friendly, very natural. These kinds of phrases make people feel good. And that's what communication is all about. Not just asking for things, but lifting each other up. Let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today. Could you please repeat that? Can you help me, please? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Nice to meet you. Thank you, you're welcome. Could you please speak more slowly? May I interrupt you for a moment? I need your assistance. Could you explain that in more detail? I apologize for the inconvenience. Could we reschedule our appointment? I'd prefer to. I apologize for the mistake. You did a fantastic job. I admire your creativity. Let me know if you need any help. Now it's your turn. Try using at least 3 of these phrases today in your real conversations. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English videos like this. Because your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be practiced. And I'll be here to help you every step of the way. See you next time.